In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate emails with Monday.com. If you want to connect your email workflow directly to your board, this process is quick and straightforward. Integrating email with Monday.com can help you automate updates, keep communication organized, and reduce the need to switch back and forth between platforms. In this walkthrough, we'll go step by step so you can set it up confidently. To get started, open your Monday.com board and look for the Integrate option. This is where Monday.com lets you connect external tools and services to your workflow. Go ahead and click on Integrate. Once you open that section, you'll be able to browse different app integrations that can work with your board. Next, find and click on Gmail. This tells Monday.com that you want to build an email connection using your Gmail account. If you use email regularly for task updates, notifications, or client communication, this is an especially useful integration to have in place. Make sure you select the Gmail option carefully so you're using the correct email service for this setup. After that, you'll need to choose a template. Monday.com provides integration templates to make the setup easier, especially if you don't want to build an automation from scratch. These templates are pre-configured starting points that connect email actions with activity on your board. Take a moment here to review the available options and choose the template that best matches the workflow you want. For example, some templates are designed to trigger actions when emails are received, while others may help send updates based on changes in your board. Choosing the right template at this stage makes the rest of the setup much smoother. Once you've selected your template, click on Connect. This is the step that begins linking Gmail with Monday.com so the integration can be activated. Depending on your account setup, you may be prompted to authorize access and confirm the connection. If that happens, simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. And that's it. You've now gone through the core steps to integrate emails with Monday.com. Opening the integrations area, selecting Gmail, choosing a template, and connecting the account. After the connection is complete, it's a good idea to double check that the integration appears correctly on your board so you can be sure everything is ready to use. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you set up your email integration smoothly.